Three key factors impact your T-Mobile 5G gateway's speed: band locking, placement, and channel selection. Band locking lets you choose the best 5G frequency for your area, like the mid-band N78 for a balance of speed and coverage. Use the T-Mobile app to lock to N78, avoiding congestion on other bands. Good placement is crucial. Position your gateway near a window, elevated if possible, and away from metal obstructions for a clear line of sight to cell towers. Finally, Wi-Fi channel optimization reduces interference from nearby devices, ensuring a smoother connection. Select less crowded channels like 36 to 48 for 5 GHz. These steps help your gateway grab the strongest signal and deliver the fastest speeds possible. Let's get practical. First, use the T-Mobile Home Internet app to check signal strength and consider band locking to N78, which often provides the best performance. Next, experiment with gateway placement. Use apps like OpenSignal to locate your nearest cell tower and orient the gateway's antennas towards it. Elevate the gateway if possible. Lastly, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app to identify less crowded channels for your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Selecting these channels will reduce Wi-Fi interference. By combining these steps, you can significantly improve your T-Mobile 5G gateway's performance and enjoy faster, more reliable internet speeds.